There are 4 basics I'm gonna show you in Google Sheet. 1. Insert column. 2. Hide and unhide columns. 3. Delete rows and column. And 4. Resize rows. In Google Sheet, if you want to know about rows and column, you just click on this we call column. Once column. And one more, if you click on this we call rows. One rows. Okay, I hope that you remember that in Google Sheet. Next, I'm gonna show you how to insert column. Okay, this is my example. I want to insert one column between column student name and status. First, I just click on the status column here and right click on insert column. Okay, the outcome of the insert, we see that we got one column between student name and status. Okay, with how to know the column and rows, and one more how to insert column and row is finished. Okay, we go to the next step. Okay, next step. I'm gonna show you how to hide and unhide in Google Sheet. Sometimes you don't want someone to see that the rows or any columns. You can hide like this. First, select the column that you want to hide and right click on this button, Hide Column. Okay, the result we see that the column is hide from the Google Sheet. And then you want to unhide the columns that you hide at the moment. You just click on this button. The column that you hide will display. Okay, with hide and unhide columns and rows finished. It goes to the next step. Okay, in this step, we'll show you how to delete rows and column. If you want to delete, you just select any rows that you want to delete. So this is student that I want to delete. Just right click and after click on this button, delete row. Okay, you can practice. We'll delete column, the same row. Okay, with the next step, I'm gonna show you how to arrange rows and columns same time size. In the example, if I do this, my rows is not the same size. Okay, I need to do like this. First, select the column that you want to prepare the size. And you just put my on here, pulls to the top here like that. And you check the result together. The size of rows is equal size. Okay, finished. Thank you for your love sharing. See you in next video.